If you're buying anything today, you've seen it. I mean, it's everywhere.
Oh, absolutely.
You're scrolling online, you're in a store, and every big company is suddenly green, sustainable, or carbon neutral.
Consumers are demanding it, and corporations are, well, they're eager to supply the image of it at least.
But behind all that marketing, there's this murkier reality, right? This thing called corporate greenwashing.
That's right. And today we're doing a deep dive into the legal and the commercial fallout of this exact practice.
And our insights for this are coming from a really interesting source.
They are. We're basing this entirely on a compelling analysis from an Australian lawyer, Adrienne. She attended a major legal seminar with partners from all the big Korean and international law firms.
The international part of that seems really key. The source mentioned that because Korean companies are going global so fast, the seminar itself was, what, half in English?
Exactly.
Mhm.
And a lot of the lawyers there were certified in both Korea and the U.S. This isn't just about local reputation anymore.
So the old ways of doing things, the sort of domestic comfort zone, that's just evaporating.
It is. What might have been fine in one country can now trigger a massive lawsuit in another. We really need to understand what greenwashing is, what the new legal standard is, and why, believe it or not, the real solution might be artificial intelligence.
Okay, let's unpack this. What exactly are companies getting away with when they go green?
So we have to start with a clear definition. Greenwashing is it's basically advertising or PR that's designed to make a company seem environmentally conscious.
Same, so an illusion.
Precisely. An illusion where their actual efforts to protect the environment are minimal or, sometimes completely non-existent.
So this isn't an honest mistake. It's a deliberate strategy of acting eco-friendly, even if your whole business model is.
Well, no, not.
That's the critical distinction. And the tactics can be really subtle. You'll see lots of green on the packaging, or they'll use these vague, reassuring words.
Like eco or sustainable. Exactly. Or just phrases like thinking of the planet. It's all deliberately ambiguous, so you feel better about the purchase, but the company doesn't have to make any claims they can actually prove.
And you're just bombarded with this stuff. For the average person, how are you supposed to tell what's real and what's just a slick PR campaign? You can't really.
You can't. And that difficulty is exactly why regulators are finally starting to step in. We're seeing this tightening grip on misleading terms.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. The source points out that even on those big online shopping sites, there's been an official crackdown on using generic phrases. You can't just call something an eco-friendly tumbler anymore without backing it up.
So they're moving past the obvious lies and going after the vague, unsubstantiated stuff now.
That's the shift, and that shift brings us straight to the legal risk.
Right. So is all this public concern actually leading to lawsuits around the world?
In a